Hello, I'm Sarah and this is my Tunisian Stitches collection. Today I'm showing you the Tunisian Shell Stitch. For the Tunisian Shell Stitch we will not start from a standard foundation row, but we will begin from a chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. Here I have my chain of 11 stitches, which is 9, a multiple of 3, plus 2. This is how I'll begin. So I'll start by pulling up loops from this chain as in a standard foundation row, so in Tunisian simple stitch. So this is what I'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And this is the peculiarity of this stitch is in the return pass, which is not the standard one, where I usually chain 1 and then pull through 2 loops together. But in this case, what I do is I chain 2, 1 and 2, I yarn over and pull through 4 loops together. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I repeat this movement until I'm left with just 2 loops on the hook. So I yarn over, chain 2, yarn over and pull through 4 loops together. Chain 2, yarn over and pull through 4 loops together. 2 loops on the hook. In this case, I yarn over and chain 1. Then I yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops together, like this. And this is row 1 created in the Tunisian Shell Stitch. For row 2, we will work like this in the forward pass. We will pull up loops from all chains and all shell tops across until the end. So here I am with 1 loop on the hook, which counts as 1. Then I will pull up a loop from this chain here, 2, then from the shell top, which is a little bit hidden behind it, but very easy to find and recognize, 3. Now I have 2 chains, so I will pull up a loop from each of them, 1 and 2, makes 5, another shell top, 6, 2 chains, 7 and 8, another shell top, 9. Now these are the last 2 chains I've crocheted in the previous return pass. So I will pull up the 10th loop from one of these 2 chains and I will make a so-called neat closing stitch in the first of those 2 chains, this one. A neat closing stitch in which I insert the hook under the vertical bar of that last stitch and its back bar, like this, in order to form a neat edge on the left side, just like on the right side. And here I am with my 11 stitches on the hook. And now I'll proceed with the return pass, which is the standard one for this stitch. That is to say, again, I'll chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over and pull through 4. Chain 2 and pull through 4. chain 2 and pull through 4, 2 loops on the hook, chain 1 and pull through 2. And this, you can already see, is the design created by this stitch. We are creating these cute little shells, these small clusters of 3 stitches together, by doing the return pass as I've just shown you. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with my Tunisian Stitches collection with a new beautiful Tunisian stitch. Bye bye.